FUTURIST magnetic connector for iPhone 7. Because Apple has combined the audio jack and the power jack into one connector on the iPhone 7, we are now able to give you a magnetic connector that connects your data, audio, and fast charging in a single click. It's never been more convenient. Magnetic connectors are vastly superior to mechanical connectors. Not only are they way more convenient to use, they're also far more resistant to dust, water, and other contaminants. All this added reliability can greatly improve your peace of mind. Our engineering team has worked very hard to make this connector as small as possible. We have also developed a 2-in-1 connector that works with Android and Apple devices. We've already successfully completed a pilot manufacturing run of over 1,000 units. We have done extensive testing to ensure their reliability over extended use. If you're interested, please contact us now through our early review program. Please support us and make this a reality.
Hi guys, I'm David, the founder of Fair Design. At the beginning of this year, I've launched my very first Kickstarter project, the Day Fair backpack. I was very surprised about the success I had with it on Kickstarter and also after, and very happy about all your positive comments and feedback you have given me along the way. This all very much motivates me to keep working hard, and I'm so excited to be back here on Kickstarter with my new project, the Day Fair Sling. The Day Fair line stands for products which support a creative and active lifestyle. And if you pack light and need quick access, the Day Fair Sling just might be right for you. It can be worn as a sling bag, a shoulder bag, or a classic briefcase. The Day Fair Sling easily expands if you need to carry a little bit more. Interior organization pockets for your everyday essentials are quick accessible without removing the bag from your body. Like the Day Fair backpack, it has a sporty but yet elegant design and is made with the highest quality materials. The exterior is made of a durable and water-resistant 1680D ballistic nylon. It opens by sliding and closes almost from alone with a magnetic snap buckle. The liner is made of a 200D ripstop nylon, and inside is a magnetic snap fastener which holds your key clip. On the back is a water-resistant YKK AquaGuard zipper and a comfortable handle. The strap is made of a nylon webbing which opens with another magnetic buckle. And the whole strap can be also taken off for a more briefcase style carry. I have made this bag for the days when I want to carry a little bit less and need quick access to it. I thought maybe there's some other people with the same needs who want a cool bag for it. So if you like what I'm doing, back this project. Thank you.
Yourself in a situation where handling your smartphone with one hand was an impossible task? That's why we invented PopsiCase, the first eco-friendly iPhone case that makes it easier for you. PopsiCase has a foldaway handle that helps you hold your smartphone in a natural way, using your hand instinctively. There are so many situations during the day when we need to use the phone with one hand, while the other hand does other things. The PopsiCase handle allows you to manage your smartphone with one hand more confidently and safely, without using additional accessories. But PopsiCase is not just a very comfortable phone case. We are very excited to announce that it is made with 100% upcycled material that comes from fishing nets from our Mediterranean Sea. So we are contributing to decrease the amount of waste in our seas and on our land.
Hello, my name is Pablo.
Hello, my name is Maria Jose.
Hello, my name is Anna. We are co-founders of PopsiCase, and we'd like to tell you how we got here.
Pablo Erlandsen came up with the idea of PopsiCase when he was having a hard time trying to take a picture with one hand. He thought that a handle would solve this problem, so he built the first prototype.
When Pablo invented this case, we knew that we had something very simple but